We're all spending more time on camera these days, and you can improve your look with this simple hack. Make yourself a desktop studio stand for your cell phone. You'll get better recordings that are stable and easier for your audience to look at. You'll have a better look for your Zoom or Google Meet conferences. That also frees up your hands. And it makes it a whole lot easier not to have to shoot in portrait orientation. Please do not shoot in portrait orientation. Here's your supply list. A plastic cup, a Sharpie marker, some masking tape, scissors, and an X-Acto knife. To assemble it, measure a mark about 1 inch from the bottom of either side of the cup and draw diagonal guidelines across the bottom, about 1.5 times thicker than the width of your cell phone. Now, cut the top notch, trim the groove down to your 1 inch marks, and level off the resting point. Test fit the phone and modify as needed. Finally, reinforce it with a little masking tape. Use corner cuts to fold the tape in. Now put your phone into place, tilt the phone up and down, and try using the front and rear facing camera. You can set the right elevation by using a bookshelf or stacking a few books or DVD cases to frame yourself properly. So there's a little trick that can make a big difference. If you're working and playing online, try it for yourself and enjoy just a little more stability in this digital online time.